And the CDC is now warning those winter storms mean widespread vaccine delays, just as vaccinations were starting to pick up steam. In some places, the weather is canceling appointments. We get more now from CBS's Mola Lenghi.
The storms that have paralyzed so much of the U.S. have also frozen out vaccine deliveries. Shipments are running as many as 48 hours behind schedule. In hard-hit Texas, just 9% of the doses the state was expecting this week have been shipped. Moderna unable to ship any doses to the Lone Star State.
There's certain parts of the country, Texas being one of them, where vaccination sites are understandably closed.
The crunch now acute in the nation's most populous city, which could run out of first doses by tonight.
Supply, supply, supply.
New York City Mayor Bill de Blasio.
We're in this ridiculous situation. We have massive ability to give people vaccination, but right now we're running out again.
The Biden administration now says everyone who wants a vaccine will be able to get one by the end of July. Just be patient, says Dr. Anthony Fauci.
The cure of all of this is when the supply-demand gap closes. As we get into the later months, April, May, June, and July, I think those kind of discrepancies and difficulties are going to disappear.
The CDC now projects as many as 70,000 more COVID deaths just in the next month. And tonight, major news from Pfizer, a study showing its vaccine is significantly less effective against the variant first discovered in South Africa. That variant is now in at least 10 states, and the concern over variants is fueling the race to vaccinate. That's especially important in underserved areas like East Los Angeles. In LA County, Latinos are 3 times more likely than whites to die of COVID. Many here are essential workers, like Susan Hernandez, a grocery store cashier.
We've been on the front line for over a year now, and we have not gotten any kind of protection as far as getting vaccinated.
On Tuesday, a FEMA mega site opened in her neighborhood. She was one of the first in line.
Woohoo! I'm excited.
Well, some of those same disparities are playing out here in New York City. New data shows that the hardest hit neighborhoods have the fewest number of vaccinations. And making matters worse, some sites, like this one here in Brooklyn, have stopped taking appointments altogether after running out of the first dose of vaccine, Nora.
Mola Lenghi, thank you so much.